Building a second brain in Notion is perfectly doable, where you have your tasks, your projects, your notes, areas all inside of one application. And I did a live stream not too long ago going through that whole process, building it from start to finish. It's about a 3-hour stream. So what I thought I'd do in this video is go through the majority of those processes, much more condensed for those that don't have 3 hours to spare. But if you do want more information about some of the templates you can have in the databases, I would recommend go checking out that stream. So building your second brain in Notion, most people will start out with a task database. So I'm going to create a database, I'm going to call it tasks, and I'm going to put SB just so that it doesn't coincide with all the other databases I have in my space, because I have lots of task databases, as I'm sure you can imagine being a Notion consultant. So I'm now going to put date, so we have a date property for our tasks. I'm now going to put in a checkbox so we can say when the tasks are done or not. And that is pretty much it for that database.